Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hello everyone. Hi viewers. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are gonna to show you how to make Gilgit Baltistan's traditional food Daodo with chicken and homemade noodles. Please find ingredients details in description and don't forget to share, comment and like our video. Thank you very much. Cooking oil. Add 1 or 2 medium chopped onions for according to taste and fry 12 extra fries. Now we are going to add 2 TBS ginger and garlic paste and we will fry it well. Then adding the paste of 2 medium sized tomatoes. Now we will add red chilli powder and a turmeric powder and 1.5 TBS table salt. We are going to add half cup of water in well fried ingredients. And now we are going to add and fry and cook the chicken. Now we will add 7 large cups of water and wait for boil. Add it chop. Now we are adding mixed garam masala. This is the wheat flour for making homemade noodles. Now we are adding wheat flour noodles in boiling water with ingredients and we will cook it. We will cook it well for 25 to 30 minutes. Now soup Daodo, the traditional food of Gilgit Baltistan, is ready now to serve, and this is the mint we are adding to boost the taste. It is really fantastic food. You can try it at your homes.